Welcome to cashflow.io. In this video, we'll review transactions. So you will click on the hamburger menu, transactions, and then you'll be able to see all the transactions that were done. If it was paid, it's in green. If it failed, it's in red. If it's processing, it will be in blue. If it's pending, it will be in yellow. And if you voided the transaction, it will be purple. Now let's review a transaction. So if we're looking at this transaction, we can click on it. We know the credit card that it was used, we have the amount, we have a transaction ID, and we know that it was a success. By clicking on the actions, we can either void it, email it, view receipt, or view the logs. On this transaction, we know that it failed. We tried to charge the card twice, but it didn't work. We're going to click on action, view the log, and it says that card number does not correspond to the card type you selected. So there's an error message, code 509. If you do get this error message, please click on the yellow button and write us that information right here, asking us to tell you what is going on with this transaction. If we go back to transaction, you will have everything that was done. You can export it and send an email directly, which is a CSV file. You can actually filter them by type, so only your own transactions, or the whole team's transaction. So depending on how many users you have, you can filter by type, card input, or payment requests. You can also have different types of filter: paid, partial, processing, refunded, void. Let's see what happens to another failed transaction. You'll click on this one, view log, and error code 506. There is no such merchant account. Please contact support if you continue to experience this problem. So in this case, what we would do is we would click on the yellow button here and speak to one of our agents.